Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Inkey List Exosome Hydro Glow Complex Serum. This product retails for $22. This is, from my perspective, the Inkey List's own take on a growth factor style product. I usually am hesitant to try out products like this because I don't look for anti-aging benefits and I'm not the best to testify for that. Still, going into this, I want to make it clear, make sure you do follow creators that look like you and share some of your skin concerns to better get an accurate depiction of how the product may perform on your skin. With this, and the reason why I decided to try it is because they also claimed this was a barrier restoring serum as well. So I wanted to see what benefits I noticed with that and just a few specific things, but that is where this review is going to be coming from. So just keep that in the back of your head. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use a great complex of ingredients that I have left in the description, and you can also click the link in the description to learn more about this product. They do use coconut in this as well, which I wanted to just bring up. I have personally been able to use coconut alkanes in some formulas from the Inkey List. I'm not sure if every formulation will be the same from them specifically, but it's been a hit or miss ingredient with me. Just keep that in mind. I'm not a big fan of the term non-comedogenic or comedogenic ingredients just because I don't feel like that is foolproof at all. I always go into every formulation with an open mind. The big things I'm going to be looking for include, does it cause acne, and what benefits do I see with the look of my skin, with my skin barrier, just seeing many different things with this product because it is pretty budget friendly compared to some other growth factor style products on the market. As for anything else, we're continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this serum. Since I am looking at it from mostly a barrier restoring and hydrating, nourishing serum, I'm not going to be looking for anti-aging benefits with it, so this will be really telling of if I'm able to use it. I'm also trying to see if it breaks me out. Always with the Inkey List formulations, I have to like work with the pump to get it started, so just be mindful of that. Okay, here we go. Has a nice yellow color to it, which when they were teasing this product, I literally thought it was going to be a retinaldehyde formula. Really nice and moisturizing. Has a little bit thicker of a texture than I was expecting, but with the claims of this product and also kind of marketing itself as an anti-aging / barrier restore product, it makes sense. I'm gonna take just a couple of pumps of this and just go in. Feels really nice on the skin. Really moisturizing. I'm not sure, I need to do research on if I'm pretty sure you can combine this with actives. This is kind of a technology that I've not experienced or like dived into before with skincare, so I'm not using it with actives like right now. I am gonna try using it both day and night since I'm using it as mostly a barrier restore serum. Feels really nice. The finish is light. It does give an instant nourishment to the skin. Like my dry area right here was kind of instantly soothed. I like it because it's not terribly suffocating. Like it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, but it is providing a nice restorative feel, if that makes sense. Like my drier areas feel instantly nourished. I'm excited to see what I notice with this more long term. I can definitely see this using this closer to your moisturizer step, but still before a moisturizer because it does have a lightness to it like a serum should. I would definitely recommend going in with like a toner and your lighter weight serums before then. This is kind of giving right before a moisturizer is when I think I'd recommend applying it. But yeah, really a nice lightweight finish. I'm mainly excited to see if it breaks me out or causes any acne. A couple of ingredients like coconut that I'm unsure about, but we will just test this out and see. Seems to be pretty good technology, but I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to fully testify for all the benefits. We will just see what I notice with Barrier Restore. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I first want to restate, I'm not the best to testify for anti-aging benefits with this product. I don't know if I got to test the full ability of this product. However, I do want to speak to one of the claims that spoke to me and why I tried it and why I'm not the biggest fan of this product and why I'm not going to be repurchasing it. Overall, I mean, looking over the ingredients, it's looking to be a great soothing serum. Has a lightweight ability to it that I feel like was slightly moisturizing my skin. I definitely don't get a glow like they claim, and I didn't notice any crazy barrier benefits with it. Honestly, the serum kind of just felt like it did nothing going on my skin, which I'm not sure. I mean, I got some comments on their Ectoin serum saying that some of the standout ingredients were lower on the ingredient list and not sure how effective those ingredients were. I personally liked that serum better than this one. I see that there are definitely some anti-aging ingredients in here and some benefits that I couldn't speak to. So I'm not gonna touch on those. Still wanna leave that open if that is a possibility. I haven't seen anybody with more mature skin speaking on this product, but I do know The Ordinary has a growth factor serum that is a little bit more budget friendly than this that some people have been loving. So I may look to that product before this one for anti-aging. I don't know. I'm just trying to open up the door of opportunity with those products because I can't speak to those benefits. However, with barrier support, I just didn't feel like this was best designed for that. I didn't see many benefits with my overall skin hydration, with my skin barrier, just wasn't really doing much for me. And so I feel like there are some better, more hard-hitting options on the market. I mean, the one that's coming to mind is Bioma's Phytomucin serum. That is barrier serum that packs a punch. A little bit heavier of a finish. I'm trying to think if you're looking for a more lightweight barrier serum. I mean, I love the Purito Centella Unscented serum. That product packed a little bit more of a punch and did more for my redness, did more for my skin barrier. I didn't see anything groundbreaking with this serum. This is a little bit more expensive for an inky-less formula, still $22, but I do feel like there are better options on the market if you're looking for those. There's just a lot of products that I noticed a lot better benefits with my skin barrier than this product. I don't really see a point in investing in this one specifically. I'm not trying to discredit the science or the technology in this formula. I'm just going off of feel and performance. Still just not really something I saw much with. I don't know if I was the best designed to talk about this. So that is why this is just coming from my barrier serum approach because they do use that claim. And I just didn't see that with this product. So I would recommend going for any of the other formulas that I mentioned. Not that this is a bad formula, I just didn't see much with it. Also, I just thought of one more. The Ordinary Soothing and Barrier Serum is another great formula that I feel like did way more for my barrier in a shorter period of time for a better price point. That did more for me than this did. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.